In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine coolant temperature sensor on your Toyota Camry. It's located on the driver's side of the engine. You're going to want to drain your coolant first. There's a drain plug down there. All right, just about directly in front of the exhaust system, there's a frame piece. Right in front of that, there's a wing nut, and you're going to turn it to the left. And we're going to drain the coolant. So turn it to the left, and it should come out. All right. To speed up the process, you can take the cap off the radiator too. You're going to follow your upper radiator hose to here, and then directly behind it, not here, but this one behind it, there's the coolant temp sensor. You're going to push in on the connector and pull off the plug. And then you're going to get a socket, and we're going to undo that coolant temp sensor. Using a 19mm socket, you're going to break free your coolant temp sensor. You may need a drip pan below. Remove it. Just unscrew it. Now we're going to install. You're going to want to make sure that if there's a washer, to remove it. Ours is stuck on, so we're going to use a small flat screwdriver and push that off. Put it in by hand at first. And then you can use your socket. Make sure you stay straight on and you're not crooked. You don't want to break your sensor. Once it's hand tight, you're going to tighten it down. Once it's snug, I would go 1/4 of a turn. Now you can put your connector on. Make sure you hear that click. Now you're going to fill up your coolant, bleed the system, and you should be good to go. You're going to want to install a funnel on your filler, or just use a regular funnel. Install your funnel, and now we're going to fill it up with coolant. You're going to fill it up till it gets to about here. Once you fill your coolant up, you're going to start your vehicle. You're going to let it run for a while. And you're going to burp it out. You're going to let it run until it gets hot. You're going to put your heat on. Once your heat starts going, your coolant should go down into the system, and then you're going to top it off. Then you're going to remove your funnel and put your cap back on. After you're done, you're going to put your cap back on and twist it till it locks.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.